guys, today we play Animal Hospital with my sis. Yay! So wait a moment. I will take care of this poor patient. So I will take care of the. You will. What have to do? You will check. You check the players, the patients. And I take care of patient. Yeah, do this. I'm so confused. Forgive me. I'm scared of the stalker. Yeah, seems as. Bro, I have all Italian. I don't know. Change the language. Yeah, but I know the Italian my art. So wait a moment. I will change the Italian to, cause I don't know. So let's go. I'll go take care of patient. You will. Okay. Hey, sup? As a patient, yeah, like sample. Yeah, what? Says, are you doing that? Yeah, I'm not lying. So I will take care of this patient, cause I was and something. Something like, come on, let's go, sir. Yo, there's another patient. I need herbs. What do I need? I need herbs. Someone is going on a room. I think in the room too. So I pick up the herbs. You guys first pick up the herb and this. No, wrong item. Yeah, I did it finally. You'll see someone is coming. I'm scared of this stalker. Yo, guys, shut up on this ship. I'm an intern and my secretary. How did you know the Italian? Yeah, so one day we make a video, but we only speak Italian. Bro, I'm so bad. I will teach you. Bro, no, what? The doctor is coming. The doctor is actually coming. I will run the room. Yo, run. You must have been in my heart. I'm Dr. Hello. Yeah, I already know. Yeah. Yes, what do you want, Hello? No. Some nervous or go strange. Just keep working. Yeah? What do you mean? You guys suspect. I will fix our further cameras for you. Bro, I don't care. I don't care. Yo. Oh, yeah. So let's see who is the best. I think I'm the best. No, I'm actually me. Let's see. Actually, come on. 63. Solar Grace Alfie! Yay, it's me! Yay, congrats! Oh, well, I was pooping. Yeah, you're a doctor. No, let me check 1 minute on the. No, sis. What? What's the problem? Yo, don't check the camera, please. Bro, let me check. Come on. Let me see. Yo, it's black. Yeah, I see black. You know what? I have an idea. Bro, what idea? I will kill the patient. Are you serious? I'm not. You're so serious. Yo, I told you I'm not. So let me do no. Sorry, I'm so confused. I don't care about the photo. This patient scaring me. Is scaring me. No. So get out. I go kill him. No, you take care of patient. Yeah. You know, I will jump. Jump same. that. Let me go to kill him. Now you go. Oh my god! What? I got stalker red. Yeah. Let's go. Bro, open this fuck door. Yeah, go. Now someone is actually. Wait. Yeah, you normal. Let me check the photo. He's actually normal. But I didn't say the name. Yo, let's go to killing you. Yo, come on. Motoko's coming. No, no, come on. Thanks, I will be in room 2. What room are you on? Let me share. So guys, you know what? How to kill the anomaly. First, select the wrong item. This is how to kill anomalies. Wrong pick up, wrong rider. LOL! Yo says you're so funny. Yeah. Because it's so funny when you see it die. Whoa, stop. Wait, let me take care of patients. I didn't read the name. It's all your problem. Too hard. Come on. Wait, yo, bro, don't escape from me if you are normally. Yeah, guys, yo, what? So if someone says this is normal, is that the brown cow is that's not a cow. It's not a cow, sir. What is this? I think it's a unicorn. So what is this unicorn? The E is normal. I check all the times and yo. I need this. I can't read. Sis, come. Wait a second, little bro. Yeah, where are you? I'm here, yo. What is this? It's a thermal. It's a thermal. It's a thermal. Fuck. I'm so confused. So thank you. Let me go check out the patient. Yo, wait. Don't go away. I don't going away. I only going to have the. Yeah, so yo, shut up. Shut. No. Yo, get out. Get out. What's the problem? Nothing. Never mind. I'm scared to get stalking again or something. So I take care of this patient. So, sir. Oh, I take it this down now. So thanks. I will be in room 4. 4? What is this room for? I think it's here. All cameras operational. Yeah. You are a found patient coming. Go take care of him. Tell me kiss it on the chili. Come on, let me close to you the door. What do you do it? I will report. Oh, yeah. Yo, sis, what? Why are you dancing? I don't know. I was dancing. Oh, let's go. But this the green bunny is normal. Yeah, don't worry, it's normal. Let's go with white and blue. Then is this the goat is coming. A revenge. What is that? What do you mean a revenge? Yo, Arlo incoming. Here, yeah. I'm actually here, you bro. But I can't see my name. No. I have a name facilities for you. You actually still agrees off you. And I can see your name. Oh, shift. Yo, let's see the shop. Bro, is that the news? Let me go buy the cola. Why you go buy the cola? Let's see who is the best. Never mind. I'm good. Let's see who's the best. Again. Again. Hello. Wait, what is this? This comp. What's the problem now? Hey, yeah, what the fuck you want? What is this? As a purple cat. I want to check a mouse page. See, y'all get out. Yeah, I can't read that. Wow, what is this? C59. I want it. Give me. OMG, run fast. Yeah, run fast. You know what it will be? I will actually. No, I can't buy anything. You stole my cola. Now I can run faster. Bim, bim, bim. Are you serious? Oh, real? Oh, shut up. Shut up. Stupid purple. Yo, what? Yo, I need coffee. I don't need, bro. How my sanity is at. Why are you spinning? So my sanity is at 50%. Oh, same. So let me pick the coffee. No. Let me pick to him. Yeah. How did you pick the coffee? Where are you? I'm here, bro. Bro. Yo, you're actually wait. Try to drink. It's flying coffee. I need that. I'm scared Barney's coming. Yeah. So go in your jaw. Yeah. No, I think it was an anomaly. Yo, he popped it. Ew. Yo, what's going wrong? What's going on? Lola, hi Lola. Wait a moment. How can I remove this? Yeah, let me remove it. Yo, sis, stop. Huh? I will try. I said stop. Yo, what? Huh? Come. What? Did you see that? Yeah. Come pick up. What? I pick it up. So what? Go here. Yeah, and come back on this line. And click. What do I have to click? Tap to spray. Yo, it's so cool. Yeah, I know. I will go take off this. Oh, yo, shut up. Tired for waiting. It's your mom who's tired of waiting. So go to do your job. Yeah. Shut up. I'm scared of the photo. You normal. Why are you scared of the photo? I will see you. So let me try this. What? I will. It says you're not okay. I will now speak Italian. No, don't speak Italian, please. Ciao Erika, come stai? I told you don't speak Italian. Says why you hate if I speak Italian? Cause I don't know what you say. You're so new, but it's an Italian. You pick all time 4. Or mean F. No, you pick every time a bad vote. So I think you mean this. Whatcha? Well, I didn't remember that. You mean this vote, of course. You mean this? What? If yeah, you go every time this vote. Vote. Yeah. Yo, yo, don't do your job. I know. Let me. Helicopter. I can't use. I've been abused. You see me, huh? I told you see me. Yeah, I will see you. Helicopter. I see you. You too fast here. Yes, sir. I will go hide. What have you done? So let me doing the job. Oh, he needs to see someone. But who? I will be in room 3. But let me check who is the room 3. Yeah, go please. Free. Where is it? There's no one in room 3. Yeah, I think. Oh my god. What? No, sis. What? I got pooped. Pooped what? No, I got jump scare, not lying. What's a jump? What? Yo, sir, you're so creepy. What's the camera? I'm scared now, sis. How about that? I will go fix the camera. Um, oh, he was, yo, what? Bro, I look back. What? Go check the camera. I'm not lying. Go. I will come. Let me see. It looks like see me. Yeah. Then take off the camera. OMG, he has no mouth. Actually, I bet. Yo, shut up. Bro, let's see the photo right. Oh, get out. Yeah, get out. No, then. Creepy. Yo, you know what? Get out. Get out. Bro, why you just say no? No, get out. No. What? I got jump scared again. Hello, my name is Molly Tebben. You guys, Grace is there. Yo, I'm not there. I know. So let me check the camera, please. One camera. What's the problem, sis? Yo, check out the camera. What? Yo, check out the camera. Yeah, let me check. What's the problem? Stinky little baby. Use my stinky little baby. Hurry up. Yo, shut up. I'm going to kill him. Go. You know what? My parents going to sleep. Yeah, go. What's the problem? Just same, sis. Yeah. The coffee, sis. The coffee. The coffee's ready. Ready. Yeah, I will give to him. No, I don't need the chocolate. Give me the coffee. I need some. You think, man? I need that. I will remember this. Aww, so cute. Yeah. Shh, wait a moment. Mom, what? This is. Wait, Yes. What? What's the problem, sis? I see the stalker. Oh, just saw such thing. Yeah. Too funny, yeah. Someone's gonna. Oh, let me fix. I fixed the camera. Yo, come on, look at it. Sis. Sis. Oh, sorry, I was suffocating. You get me faster. What the fuck are you saying? The hell wrong with you, sis? Let me check the photo. He's actually. Yo, let me check the hour. No, what? Sis, did you check the hour? It's midnight. What? We have to go to sleep. Oh no, let's playing this game. Creeping game, you mean? Hot phone. It was wrong. My name's Ron from accounting. Ron from accounting, yeah. You're the one who keeping hiring new people? Yeah, they say. Never mind. Why never mind? I don't know. Come on. How about live? These are actually normal. Oh, thanks, I will be in room 4. Yo, he needs math can. Yo, Ron, don't cry. What do you mean, spy? Who's this cat? Yo, this cat has no ears. Can you see? What? You actually don't know why. No taser, get out. Ron is here. Pushing. I'm on fire. I'm coming. I'll go to save this thing. Yeah. Yo, sis. You know what? Bro? Yo. Sis. What? I will say AFK. Don't wait a moment. home, I didn't drink the coffee. We could jump scare to see that photo. You want that coffee? Give me this coffee. Oh no. You say a laugh, okay? Oh, witnesses. Come on, let's go. The doctor's coming. See, table. Oh, it's not that right now. We shoot this photo. The camera to say over. I will unlock the teaser. Oh, I guess yay. Blow a song. You gonna phone there? You do the coffee. OMG, season call. What happened? So he locked the taser. But who has the taser? I don't know. Someone. Okay. So you had the taser. Yeah, well, do you? Shut up. What else? You check out the cameras. Yeah. Looks like a bomb. Mm. The sun's sleeping. Yeah, I know. Look like midnight. I've been room free. You know, guys, what? I will stop recording and go to sleep. Yeah, I thought so. Good night, sis. Good night. Good night, guys. I'm actually tired. So, you guys have a great night because I'm actually tired. Erica, go to sleep. I'm so tired. Oh, yeah, I know. You know what? You know what? I will go to sleep too, Grace. So, guys, we go to sleep and bye bye. We see the next video.